Alright guys, so we had bunkered down the storm. Hurricane Delta didn't even touch us. No rain, no anything. So now we're venturing out. Say hi guys. We're venturing out to see what's open, what's around here. And yeah, as you can see, people are working, so, or you can hear. I'll show you guys the view. Yeah, this walk's not that bad. But if it was dark, yeah, definitely, it would have been a little crazy. A little crazy.
So now this is when you take the front flight. It's gonna be that way. Don't move it. Still.
Oh, even when, oh, that's interesting. Alright, cool. Just still, so don't move.
No. I mean, like when you walk in front of this way, and then the beach, right?
Yeah, it flies you to the beach.
As you see, guys, some of the roads are a little flooded after the hurricane, but not too bad. Alright guys, today is Yacht Day. Say hi. We're planning our second event. We got our Tulum Tribal Thursdays. We are popping off our second event. We are doing a collab yacht party with Playa Group, as well as the Tribe Tulum that we have here in Tulum. I'm so excited. We're gonna have a boat for 30 people. I'm super stoked. We're on our way to the supermarket. We're gonna pick up a few things, and then we're gonna head on our party shuttle to Akumal, which is about 25 minutes away, and I'll show you guys the boat when we get there.
Oh, I'm sorry. Happy Saturday. We are preparing right now to head to the grocery store because our yacht party is today. We're collabing with Playa Noir and the Tribe Tulum. We are partnering for our first pop-up yacht party. So we're super excited. People are going to start meeting us here. We're going to the grocery store just to get some extra items, and then we will see you guys in the Sprinter.
Say hi, everybody. Hello. Oh, you're out there. Ain't that hot? Okay. They jamming. Hey! We see y'all. We see y'all. They jamming. Hey! You look so cute. Yeah, I'm about to be dancing on this thing. Hey! And I'm sending all this over to y'all if y'all need. Hi y'all. What's up?
Kind of scary a little.
Shout out to Ryan, Ashley.
Oh, the Tribe Tulum.
collaborating with us on this wonderful event. I hope that we will be working again in the future. Also, shout out to the Noir crew. Follow our pages on Instagram. It is Playa Noir, at Playa Noir. It's all lowercase, one word. And then Tulum Tribe.
The Tribe Tulum!
The Tribe Tulum. So make sure you follow the pages for up and coming events.
This tree makes me feel like I'm in Cuba. Morning, guys. These are my mornings in Mexico. We're in Playa Del Carmen today. We had our yacht party, our first yacht party yesterday. And it went amazing. We're going to celebrate with breakfast on the beach. And I'll catch you guys later. It's hot though, so let's just keep it moving.
All right, guys. So yesterday we had an amazing event. It was amazing. We partnered with Playa Noir. Actually, we're currently in Playa right now. So I actually like this place. I enjoy it. This is my second time really being able to see Playa, and it's beautiful. But I want to thank all of the people who did attend the event yesterday, and we have another one coming up, so let's just keep it pushing. But this is Playa.